everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, then hi, my name is Mimi. So in this video I'm gonna review a really well-known and popular hair oil here in India. I'm sure you guys must have heard about it or used it already because it's been in the market for a long time. So you might ask me then why I'm reviewing it now after so many days. It's because if you have been with my channel for a long time, then you already know that I love Khadi hair products, and mostly my hair oils are from Khadi. So I don't want to be biased towards them, and I don't want to recommend to you guys only one brand, which is Khadi. So I recently got a few other brands to try for my hair, and I got the Biotic Bio Bringha hair oil, which my hair loves, and also I got the Indulekha Bringha hair oil, which I'm gonna review in this video. So if you wanna know my take on the oil, how it went, my experience and the result, then keep on watching. So as before buying any product online, I go on different websites and I go through the comment section and which is available underneath that specific product. So I did the same for the Indulekha Bringha oil as well, and I was going through the comment sections and I saw that there were two kinds of comments available. Either the product worked for some people or it didn't work for some people. So, and I also noticed that some people were complaining about the packaging. Like they mentioned that when they tried to get the product out of the packaging bottle, the product was leaking from the side. So as you can see, this is the packaging of the product, and this is the bottle. They call it a selfie bottle because it comes with a comb like thing on top of the cap, and the product comes out from the comb. It has like tiny holes on top of the comb, and when you squeeze the bottle, the product comes out of it. So some people were complaining that when they tried to get the product out of the bottle by squeezing it, the product was leaking from where the cap is closed. And when I got my hands on the product, I removed the cap, and as you can see that there is a white stopper kind of thing which sits on top of the mouth of the bottle, which stops the product from like coming out at a large quantity. So what I did, instead of removing this white cap, I pinched hole in it to like control the amount of product that comes out. So I don't know what happened with other people's packaging, or if they like threw the white cap thing out and then they tried to apply it, and that's what caused the breakout of the product. But I didn't remove this white cap thing. I pinched hole in it, and that made the application easier. I didn't have like any outbreak of product or something. It came out like only from the comb thing and nothing else. So the package is okay for me. So now let's talk about the price point and how much product they are providing. So this is a 50 ml bottle which is available for 234 rupees, and I believe the 100 ml for the Indulekha Bringha hair oil is available for 432 rupees, which is a bit on the pricier side, I believe, because in Indian market you can easily get for 234 rupees, you can easily get hair oils of amount from 100 to 200 ml, and the Khadi ones are available for 210 ml for a price range from 200 to 250 rupees, and the Biotic ones are available for 102 ml, which comes for a price from 100 to 200 rupees. So I think 50 ml for 234 rupees, it's a bit less of amount of product. And I've been using this product for past 2 weeks only, and it's almost finished. I have a tiny amount of product left in it, so I don't think that this is a value for money product. So next is ingredients and application. So this hair oil comes with a ton of ingredients. Like it contains kumari, draksha, bringraj, amlaki, amrita, nimba, brahmi, narikal, and the list goes on. And here in the main ingredients it says that it contains bringraj, which is the key ingredient, amla, and also coconut oil. So while applying the oil, I could definitely smell the coconut oil, but the smell of this oil is a bit on the odd side because it's not like the sweet smell of coconut oil. The smell kind of throws you off, and it's a strange smell which I did not like. and also it comes with instructions like how many times it should be applied. Right here, I don't know if you guys can see. So here it says that for mild hair fall, this product should be applied 3 times, and for severe hair fall, 4 times in a week. So a little bit background on my hair fall. I don't have any hair fall throughout the whole year. Like, I have 0 to 2 3 hair fall per strands of hair fall per day throughout the whole entire year, no matter how many times I brush my hair. But I do have a hair fall problem only in the months of winter. Like in 2017 in the winter, I was hugely struggling with hair fall, and I was having like 50-60 strands of hair fall per day, and you would say 50-60 strands are normal per day to have a hair fall. But like from 0 to 2 to 50-60 is a huge difference for me, so I was struggling to control that. And in this winter, in 2018 and also in this year, thanks to my essential oils and my ACV rinse, I have controlled that hair fall problem a lot. And this year I don't have that huge amount of hair fall problem. I still have hair fall like 15 to 20 strands per day. So I was really excited to try this hair oil to see if this can make it go away also. So as the instruction says that for mild hair fall, I applied it thrice in a week. So after the first application, I did not notice any difference. My hair fall count was still the same, 15 to 20 strands per day. But after the third application, I noticed that my hair fall count has increased rather than decreasing. So after the first week, I was hesitating to try this product again, but I still use this product for another week. But in the second week also, the result was same. My hair fall count hasn't decreased rather than it has increased. So I don't think that this product has worked for my hair type. And like previously, I have tried a bunch of different hair oils. Like before I started using Khadi products, I have used a ton of different hair oils, and my hair don't really react to hair oils that easily. Only if the oil contains a huge amount of mineral oil, then my hair reacts to it. But this product claims that it doesn't contain any mineral oil in it, but it contains a lot of herbs in the oil, which I don't think is the issue, because for my Khadi hair oil, some of the hair oils like the 18 herb hair oil from Khadi contains the blend of a ton of different herbs, and it still worked perfectly for my hair. I didn't have any hair fall from that hair oil. But I think what went wrong with this product, that the formula of the Indulekha Bringha hair oil didn't work for my hair type. So the Indulekha Bringha hair oil was a miss for me. But if you use this hair oil and if it works for you, if it has stopped your hair fall, then I think you should definitely continue using this product. But if you haven't used it before, and if you want to, and if you ask me, then I would say that I won't recommend this product to you. So that was it for this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe to my channel. Also subscribe to my second channel, which is my Hindi channel. And I'll talk to you guys later in my next video. Bye.